Hello everyone, welcome to Codebun, and in this video I'm going to show you the demonstration of Spring Boot backend project. This is an API for price detection. It's using AI Ollama model. So what is the actual role of this? This is the backend that we have developed into the Spring Boot, and it's using Ollama AI that is running here on my local. It's running on my command prompt. So what we are doing, we are integrating the APIs into our Spring Boot project, and that will predict the price according to the availability of the hotels. Let's say in the seasonal time or holidays time or the regular time, the price can be a different, like, or let's say we have 50 rooms available into the hotel, then the price should be less, right, according to the best price. But in case we have a less availability, like 5 or 4 room, then in that case we have to the system will increase the price automatically over the product. Okay, so this is the backend. So in order to run the application, I'm going to run, this is my application, like application.java file, the main file that I need to run. So in order to run this, we'll run it as the same as a simple Spring Boot application. Right click on it, go to run it as a Java application. So while it's running, the important note is you can take the source code. You can connect us over the WhatsApp or the Skype. We'll share the complete source code with you, and you have to pay some minimal charges for the development fees. And then we will also help you to set up this project at your machine, and we'll give you this in this state. So after that, you can operate it and run it, and you can follow this demo in order to execute the application further. So I just run the application. You can see the Tomcat is started on port number 8080, and it's running, and I'm moving on my Postman. So this is the Postman tool where we have one API that is running on that specific port number and calculating the price into the raw JSON part, like into the body structure. What we are passing a JSON object of room type. Let's say we have a deluxe room, availability 2, and the regular is a season is regular, and base price we are passing 4000. So my Ollama is running, and it's giving me a result of 5600 rupees, dollar, you can consider anything. And it's giving a message here, the reasoning message: availability adjustment due to low availability and no season adjustment, it's a regular season. See, let's say I'm going to increase the availability to 50. In that case, this price should be less, right? So because we have a more availability and season also regular, so I'm going to send this request to Ollama, and Ollama will generate the results. And this is an open source Ollama, like Ollama is open source and everyone using is free, of course. So it might send the response, it might take time to respond you, and you will get the response in some time. It's depend on your CPU GPU, because it's running locally at your machine. So we have to wait for a while to generate the result. In case for the confirmation, you can see, if you can see these messages over your command prompt while you're running that Ollama server, uh, it means it's running successfully. You just need to wait for a while to get the results. Okay, so now we got the response, but it's decreases the price. And yeah, that's the correct result. And to test this, we have simple test cases, like we have around 10 test cases that will be execute in this backend thing, and see what different response we are getting over here. So let's say in this case we have a luxury suites, and availability is 1, festive season, and price is 7000 is the best price. So it means we have a low availabilities and luxury suites are there, and season is also festival, so it should increase the price. So let's run this with this input and check the output. Okay, so here we have a response ready. It's giving a price. Suggested price is a 12,740, and the message is the AI reasoning is the high demand for luxury suites during the festival season, combined with limited availability, and justifies a price increase, right? So it's giving correct results, and let me try some more. Let me go to the test file, and here Let me, we have a luxury deluxe room, holiday season, and let's say this one, deluxe room availability 30, season and holiday, and best price is 4,000. It means it will give me a moderate price. Suggested price or in best price is 4,000, so around 5,000 it should give me 4 to 5,000. So I just update the inputs, the body data, this and body object, and I'm sending the request again. Let's see the output. See here, it's giving us a suggested price as a 4206. So yes, correct results. Availability adjustment was made to reflect the limited availability for a deluxe room during the holiday season. So it has increased the price bit. So in this way, this model, this source code is managing the complete price prediction according to the inputs that we are passing, and it's following MBC model. Like we have a controller, price controller is there, we have a models, price request, price response, we have Ollama services, that is we are going to connect with Ollama and getting the response. We have a prompt ready. So yeah, it's a Maven application working on a Spring Boot 3. So in case you need the source code, please connect